abahambe abahambe abanathi Zulu 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 ngaphambi kokuba ngifanelise ngicela ukushaya nawo umlayezo obalulekile ngicela ukuthi nizihlolisise emakhaya wonke umuntu unesitha somndeni wakhe wonke umuntu unesitha sakhe isitha sakho yikwenekwene njalo wahlala umhla ka-30 isitheni sakho usixoshe mina njengami njengomthandeli one man standing anginaso isikhathi sokujahamaza izayi kunomakhelwane bami lapha eShowe lapha eNquthu lapha eMandeni lapha eJozini abangangifuni abathatha ifoni bebhekisa ngoba bakhuluma into ebhedayo belimaze bethela abantu epanishini eziyingane la ngiba nokuxosha mazayizayo izayizayo nami isitha sami isitha sami izayizayo hlala kumhlaka 30 kimi kodwa mzokunikeza manje kodwa anganoxosha izitha zenu.
We advance, we empower, and we strengthen our knowledge and information. Greetings, everyone. You are watching Ramasen. I want to say thanks for your support, thanks for the comments, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscription. Fellow South Africans, I just want to make it very easy and simple on this video. Can you please help me understand what is this Maskandi artist or musician? I think this called Umthandeni. What does he say it's a kwerekwere? Who does he say it's a kwerekwere to you? Ubani ukwerekwere nguwe? Uthi ubani izitha sakho? Is he talking about abahambe, fellow Africans, so that you can remain free? Or is he saying abahambe, the enemies close to you, so that you can live a better life? And I think when you listen to the direct interviews that he explained furthermore exactly what is it that he means by that. But he even went as far as saying a Nigerian has never insulted the kingship. A Nigerian has never insulted an Ushembe, and so on and so on. But the people that are even Zulu themselves have committed such behaviors and bad things. But you go and leave them and focus on the people outside. You spend the energy where there isn't a real a reason for you to look for your hardship. In other words, the biggest hardship that you have is not that which you are focusing on. The enemy that is close to you is making you to focus on something that is outside, so that you can ignore the enemy close to you and focus on the enemy far away from you, whereas your real enemy is the one that is close to you. So to him, he will chase away a kwerekwere, which is this one. He will mabahambe, this one that is really making a hardship for him on a daily basis, straightforward. The person that will steal everything from you, will make you a taxi man, fail to make money, will make you fail to progress as an artist, will make you fail to progress at a university, at work, and those things. Those are your daily enemies. And he went as far as to say, even the people that you will think is them that causing you to get the job, only to find that you thinking you're not getting the job because of them. Those ones that you say mabahambe, those ones that you say kwerekwere, only to find that this you are bewitched. right here in the community, in the family, or wherever. So that what you say is a problem. Even after you get rid of them, you still find that when other people might get the job, you will not get the job because you could have had the job all along had it not been by this specific problem that is closer to you. I don't know what other people think, in short, about what Umtandeni. I'm sorry if I am mentioning him badly because I don't know much about the Maskandi artist, but I think it's Umtandeni. He had his views, and in a very bigger and brave way, he said, "You either with me or you are not with me. Whatever position you chose, I will go with it." Which means he's trying to show a brave face to say, I am taking a position, I am taking a stand. I think our people are spending the energy where it should not be. And then that what they think is what is their problem. Even after a certain time, they will still be remaining with the problem because that's what they wanted to describe as a problem. After a certain time, they will still find, after they deal with that, they will still find the problem in the backyard or around you. What do you think about what Umtandeni said? Let's hear, uh, especially my fellow Zulus and the likes. What do you think about Umtandeni? What is he saying? We'll hear what people are saying. Thanks for watching the video. Let's meet on the comment section. Thank you.